After learning instructions under logical type, we learned OR gate, AND gate, NOT gate instructions. We'll go now next fourth gate, instructions using XOR gate. XOR gate, truth table you must know. When the inputs are different, that time only output is 1. First instruction is XRA. XR means XOR operation, and aim is here with accumulator to get output in accumulator. So XRA meaning is XOR operation with accumulator to get output in accumulator. Example, XRA B. It performs XOR operation between B register and accumulator. One more, XRA A, it will perform XOR operation between accumulator with accumulator. Thus, along with XRA A, MVI A00 and SUB A, these three instructions are useful to clear accumulator. Clear means to make accumulator 0, 0. Whenever you are doing any operation with accumulator like addition or subtraction, A must be 0, 0. Accumulator content must be 0, 0. So any one instruction XRA A or MVI A00 or SUB A can be used to clear the accumulator. Next, second is XRI, that is a 2-byte instruction. XR is here for the same XOR operation, I is for immediate. Example, XRI 0A, 0 is the data byte. So XOR operation between accumulator and 0A data byte can be done. Example, if we want to take the operation between 09 and 0A data byte, XOR operation. So 09 or 0A must be loaded in accumulator. So by MVI A09, we can load in accumulator data byte 09, that is in binary 00001001. After such an instruction XRI 0A, with data byte 0A and 09, XOR operation can be done. 0A in binary is 00001010. So, as per the truth table of XOR gate, 1 0 output is 1, 0 1 is 1, same input output 0, same input output is 0. Remaining inputs are same, that's why output is 0. So the answer is 0, 3, that will be available in the accumulator. So as a summary part, let's see, using OR operation we learn instruction OR A, OR I. Using AND instruction and gate we learn instruction ANA, ANI. Using NOT gate we learn instruction CMA, STC, CMC. And this one today's XOR gate instructions are XRA, XRI. So these are nothing but using gates, logic gate instructions are there. Along with these 1, 2, 3, 4 operations, additional instructions are under logical type. First is comparison operation, second is rotate operation, third is to adjust only accumulator content in decimal number system. So these 1, 2, 3 operations are available under the logical type as an additional operations. Let us see, come to this comparison operation. The first one, comparison operation, is here. Comparison operation, any register or memory content or data byte can be compared with accumulator content to get output in flags, namely carry flag, zero flag, as per the following rules. So comparison is possible only with accumulator, like arithmetic and logical operations. First rule is, if accumulator content is less than a register or memory content, that time CY will be 1. CY means carry flag will be in set condition. If accumulator content is equal with register or memory content, that time Z will become 1, 0 flag becomes 1. And third rule, if accumulator content is greater than register or memory content, that time both flags CY, Z are reset. So these are the rules for comparison operation. So let's see, come for the first instruction under comparison, CMP, that is 1 byte. If I write example CMP C, it will compare accumulator content with C register content. CMP M for memory location content. So CMP M comment is compare accumulator with memory content. CMP A, compare accumulator with accumulator. So obviously this will give the output Z equals to 1 because both the contents are the same. Example, MVI A is 09. This will load in accumulator 09. MVI L 0F, this will load in L register 0F data byte. After these two, if I write CMP L, it will comparison between these A09 and L0F will be done. 0F is greater than 09, that's why this is the sign here. Therefore, output as per the rule number 1, CY will be 1. Second instruction is CPI, that is 2 byte instruction. CPI 0F, instead of these two instructions, after this first instruction MVI 09, if I write CPI 0F, output will be the same in CY equals to 1. So this is the comment, compare accumulator with data byte 0F. Accumulator, any content of accumulator and 0F can be compared here to get the output in these two flags CY and Z as per these three situations. So these are the two instructions under comparison operation. Come to the next operation is rotate operation. Rotate operation is also possible with accumulator to rotate accumulator content. See, rotate operation instructions 4, there are 4 instructions are available to rotate only accumulator left or right side by 1 bit position with or without carry flag content to get output in carry flag as well as in accumulator. Listen once again, rotate operation, how it is possible. There are 4 instructions available to rotate only accumulator content left or right side by 1 bit position with or without carry flag content to get output in carry flag as well as in accumulator. First instruction, example first, RRC. This first R is here to rotate. Second R is here accumulator right side. And this C is here with, that is for without carry. So RRC comment is rotate accumulator right side without carry. If I write MVI A09 to load in accumulator 09, that is in binary 0000 1001. So these are the bit positions, D0 bit, D1 bit, D2 and so on. This is the last bit position D7. So RRC here shifts D0 bit for D7 as well as for carry. And by STC CMC, carry flag will be 0. We learned the instruction, these two, in logical type under NOT gate. And after these 1, 2, 3 instructions, if I write RRC to rotate this content by 1 bit position right side, so this D0 bit will go for D7 and the same will go for carry flag. D7 bit can be shifted for D6, D6 for D5, D5 for D4 and so on. D1 bit will be shifted for D0 bit. In this way, the output is here. This one is here. This one gets shifted for D7. D1 for D0, D2 for D1, D3 for D2 and so on. After shifting this bits in accumulator, output is 1000, that is 8, and 0100, that is 4, and carry flag becomes 1. Why? This 1 bit comes for carry. So the output after these 1, 2, 3, 4 steps is, in accumulator A will be 84, CY will be 1. Next, after RRC instruction, the next one is RLC. R is here to rotate. R is here to rotate. L is here accumulator left side and C is here for without carry. So the meaning of RLC, the comment of RLC is rotate accumulator left side without carry. See, diagrammatically which can be shown, if this is the carry flag content, this is the 8-bit accumulator ACC. Bit positions are D0, D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6 and D7. So RLC shifts D0 left side for D1, D1 for left side for D2 and so on. D6 will be for left side D7 as well as for CY. So D7 will come for CY as well as for D0. Take an example to load in accumulator F2, MVI AF2, that is in binary in 8-bit. F is 1111, 2 is 0010. So after STC CMC, CY will be 0, and after RLC, as per this diagram, D7 bit will come for D carry flag as well as it will be shifted for D0. D0 bit जो 0 था, that will be shifted for this D1 and so on. Shifting of data bits here left side by 1 bit position. So when this D7 bit 1 comes for here for D0, then this D0 comes for D1. This is D1, this is D0. This D1 comes for D2. D2 comes for D3 and so on. This D6 comes for D7. So after shifting this, the output in accumulator is 1110, that is E, and 10101, that comes 5, and carry flag becomes 1. Why? This D7 was 1, that will be shifted as a new content for carry flag. So result is here after these 1, 2, 3, 4 steps. A equal to E5 and CY equals to 1. So we'll stop here. Next two instructions, rotate and adjusting accumulator in decimal, we'll see in the next lecture. Bye.